Hey guys, welcome back to yet another hair video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make braided cornrow wig cap, but today we are not going to sew. We are going to be using glue gun and some pre-braided hair. So with me here I have my glue gun and my glue stick. You'd also need your hair cap. I added some hair net here and I've used this hair nets before, so excuse all the holes in the net and all that, but this is an old hair net that I had lying around. You also need some oil. Any type of oil will do. I have some oil in this bottle that I'm going to spray on my mannequin because I don't want the glue to kind of stick on the mannequin, if that makes sense. If you don't have any oil, you can use rubber. Rub the rubber on the mannequin before you start gluing your hair. Some scissors, pre-braided hair. This is what we are going to be using. This is the size that we are going to be using. If you want to know how to make these, let me know and I'm going to make a tutorial on that for you. So that's it for the items that I'll be needing. Let's get started with making the wig. First things first, I'm going to place my wig net on my mannequin. Once I have it like this, I'm going to push the net area and then I'm going to spray on some oil. Then I'm using my finger to massage the oil. Not really massage, but spread the oil. Like this. I'm using this measuring tape as a guideline to know where my middle pattern is going to be, and then I'm using my eyebrow pencil to mark the line. Next, once my glue gun has melted, I'm going to apply some on my braiding hair and then I'm going to attach it to the closure net. And then I'm using my fingers to press it in to make sure that it sticks really well because I applied oil at the roots. If you don't press it, it might fall off. So you have to press it for the glue to kind of penetrate through the net in order to make it more secured. So I'm repeating the same process. I'm applying my glue and then I attach it to the stocking cap. That's basically it. It's very, very, very easy to do. The wig is all done and it didn't take time at all, considering the fact that we used the glue gun method. You can pretty much use bonding glue if you find that one helpful. If you want me to do a tutorial on that one, I would. Just let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to sew it, you can go ahead and do it, but sometimes that one takes a longer time to finish. This is a quick way to make your braided wig cap. So yeah, stay tuned for the installation video. Come back and watch the installation video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome.